Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to toggle the world as is for your iClone 8 3D animation software. To toggle this, what you need to do is just press Ctrl A. Just press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Then you can just toggle it. It shows the origins with 3 different axes. This is the origin of the world in iClone 8. If you don't need it, you can just press Ctrl A to just deactivate it. Sometimes we just need to use this as a reference. And from here, you will know that all of the locations of the other props and other 3D avatar, etc. And without this world as is, you can't see how far it is from the origin. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to toggle the world as is for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!